Hi there, welcome to my channel. As a consumer first and a tech content creator second, there's one thing that I struggled to find on YouTube regarding my recent purchase of an iPhone 14 Pro. I wanted to find a video of what's in the box, but after looking around on YouTube, many unboxing videos are over 10 minutes long and hardly even focus on the opening experience. I understand that I can research easily on Google, but sometimes a person just doesn't feel like reading, so I decided to do a short format unboxing to show everyone out there what comes inside the product's box, minus the first impressions, because in all honesty, I myself would watch a channel with more clout for first impressions and a review, so someone like MKBHD or even Unbox Therapy, so why bother competing? And I love those channels. So anyway, here's what's inside the deep purple iPhone 14 Pro box. The actual iPhone itself, which looks magnificent in its color, it just comes with a lightning to USB-C cable now. There isn't a charging brick in the box anymore, and for those who aren't aware, years ago they stopped including charging bricks because these companies state that it's for reducing waste and resource use, which is a good thing, but we all know it's for all of them to save a few bucks while looking altruistic. But the rest of the box contains some documentation, and this phone does have an eSIM card now, so iPhone 14s and above, there is no longer a physical SIM card. But here is the phone itself. It looks magnificent. I was really sad that Alpine Green wasn't one of the colors in the lineup this year, but I am starting to appreciate this deep purple color just a bit more. Overall, the phone feels nice in the hands, just like previous iPhone models, and a few things. The front screen for the Pro now has the dynamic island, which is that cutout for the camera, and it's utilized for many apps. It has a transformative feature. Quick example, if you minimize Spotify, you can see the album art and a little equalizer within the dynamic island. And the other huge thing is that the camera is much larger this year and it protrudes just a bit more. That's pretty much all I have for you. We saw what's inside the box, and if you enjoyed this short format for a true unboxing, let me know in the comments down below. If you liked this video, please feel free to check out these others, and if you really enjoyed hanging out with me today, please consider subscribing so you can be the first to know when I upload something new or go live on a stream. For those who want to support the channel just a bit more, check out that join button down below for my memberships, and maybe you'll see your name at the beginning or end of my next video. I'll see you all soon. Please stay safe out there. Goodbye.